Hello, collective. So I just wanted to make a dream series because I have a lot of dreams and I feel like some of them could be prophetic. So I wanted to document them here for the public, not just have them hiding in my notebook, my dream notebook. I have one I found from a long time ago that I really want to read. It's from. It is from November 20th, 2015. I wrote, I only remember bits, so I'm just going to read it. It's not long. Don't read this one. Which one should I read? The other one? Spirit says not to read this one. Let me see. I think they want me to read. Let me see. Which one do you want me to read, Spirit? Oh, here. This one, November 28th, 2015. Okay. You want me to read this one instead? November 28th, 2015. This is a dream I had. Couldn't get comfortable physically and was very hot, but dreaming was constant nonstop. Ooh, that rhymed. The most memorable... Wait and see. The most memorable and considerably different than any other dream I have ever had in this current lifetime. What I can remember is a blonde man whom I was close to. I got a feeling he was my brother. We lived in a farm. Oh, let me show you the date. Let me show you right here. I got a feeling he was my brother. We lived in a house together, and there was a woman who may have been his girlfriend. I don't recall what led to the next events I'm about to record, but there was some kind of argument or disagreement between me and my brother. I don't know about what, but his girlfriend was there, watching us argue. I was also older than him, but it skips from the argument to the next second. My younger brother is sitting on top of my upper torso with his knees by my ears, and I couldn't move my arms and I could only kick my feet, and he was choking me. This is the first dream I've ever had where my life was literally in real time being taken from me. I was desperately trying to scream for help, but couldn't. I was screaming with such fear, but no sound was coming out. Then I heard one scream actually get some sound, and it was filled with such fear and terror that it woke 60 that it woke me up. It woke of terror that it woke me up, kind of, and it woke Michael up, my ex-husband, and he woke me up because he knew I was having a weird dream. The strange thing was that I wasn't scared or even fazed by the taking of my life. False. Well, I felt I was scared, not because I thought I was dying, because I knew it was a dream, I guess. And I was almost like watching from the outside, like it was me, but in a different time or space, maybe an alternate reality or past life. I think that alive. I think that I was somebody else's, like I was witnessing somebody's memory or something. Like I was witnessing a memory or experiencing someone else's experience. So yeah, that's it. Okay, bye.